Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming editor access and ensuring a recent backup exists. This protects live data while you work. Next, open Dashboard Polish and enable preview mode so changes won't affect users immediately. Identify the priority widgets, KPI, key charts, and active filters so you can sequence changes logically. Once you have that list, create a short plan. Fix layout first, then visuals, then interactions. This order reduces rework and keeps load times predictable while you polish. You now execute the core polish steps, starting with layout. Align widgets on a 12-column grid, set responsive breakpoints, and unify spacing at 8 to 16 pixels so visuals flow across screens. Then standardize typography, color tokens, and numeric precision to ensure consistency and readability. This reduces cognitive load for viewers. Finally, optimize data queries by limiting rows, adding indexes, and enabling caching. These performance tweaks keep interactions snappy. Make changes. You finish by running accessibility and performance checks. Confirm contrast ratios, logical tab order, and smooth interactions near 60 frames per second so everyone can use the dashboard. Once satisfied, publish during a low-traffic window and monitor key metrics for 24 to 48 hours to catch regressions. If something goes wrong, roll back to your offsite backup or switch preview on to reproduce the issue safely. This lets you iterate fixes without disrupting users. One quick tip: check the audit logs for recent config changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.